Hi, friends! Welcome to Numbers in ASL with NVIDIA Maxima Kids. Let's count from 1 to 10 in American Sign Language. Ready? Let's go! 1, uno, 2, dos, 3, tres, 4, cuatro, 5, cinco, 6, seis, 7, siete, 8, ocho, 9, nueve, 10, diez. Great job! You just counted from 1 to 10 in ASL. Keep practicing and see you next time. Bye-bye.